Mom, please don't go yet.
Ruby, the bell will ring.
I feel strange. My heart is fast.
I know, my dear. First days feel big.
What if no one talks to me?
Someone will. Give it time.
Can you stay a little more? I wish I could. Mom, take me down.
Look at me. You are brave.
I don't feel brave.
Brave means you try anyway.
Okay.
I will be right here after school. Promise?
Promise.
Promise. Okay, I will go. I love you.
I love you too.
Go on, Ruby.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, my girl. Ruby! Ruby!
Stop! Ben, what are you doing here? I made something for you. What? It's a star. I drew it. A star?
Yes. Put it in your pocket. When you feel scared, touch it.
That's silly, Ben.
Silly things work. Trust me.
Okay, thank you.
Now go. Be a hero.
Bye, Ben. Bye. It's so big. So many kids.
Excuse me, where is Class 5B?
I don't know.
Oh, maybe this way or that way. I think I am lost. No, stay calm, stay calm.
Hey, new girl?
Yes, I am Ruby.
I'm Noah. You look lost.
I can't find Class 5B.
It's upstairs. Second door upstairs. Be careful. The teacher is strict.
Strict?
Very strict. Very strict. She doesn't like mistakes.
Oh no.
And don't be late. She hates late.
I'm already late.
Second door. Second door. This one? No! This one!
Excuse me. This is the teacher's room.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Close the door, please. I'm sorry. Wrong room. Wrong room. Don't cry. Don't cry.
This one. Please be right.
You are late. I'm sorry. I got lost. Name?
Ruby.
Sit there. Back row. She's crying. New girl. Please don't look at me. Class, open your books. Page 12. Ruby? Yes?
Yes?
Do you have a book?
No, I don't have one.
Share with the student next to you.
Sorry.
I don't want to share.
Okay. I can't see the book.
Ruby, read the first line.
Me?
Yes. Stand up.
The sun is bright today, Mal.
Continue.
And the sky is... I can't see the next word. You can use mine.
Thank you. I want to go home. I left my lunch bag in the hallway when I was running. I dropped it! Mom's sandwich! Mom made it for me. It's not here. Where is it? Someone took it. Someone took it. No. No.
Hey, new girl.
What?
Looking for this?
My bag. Where did you find it?
On the stairs. I picked it up.
You kept it for me?
Yeah, you dropped it when you were running.
I thought you were mean. Thank you, Noah. I know. Mom's sandwich.
Mom's sandwich. Thank you, Mom. Hi, can I sit here?
Oh, yes.
I'm Emma. You're the new girl, right?
Yes. I'm Ruby.
I saw you in class. You were brave. Brave? I was crying. Brave people cry too.
Thank you, Emma.
What do you have?
Sandwich. You?
Fruit. Want some?
Yes, please.
See? Lunch is better with a friend.
Yes, much better.
Class, one more question. Ruby, can you try?
Okay.
What is 7 plus 8?
15.
Correct. Good job.
Thank you.
Ruby, yes? You did well today. For a first day. Really? Really. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, Miss Carter.
Ruby, see you tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, Emma.
Mom.
Ruby. How was it?
It was the hardest day.
Oh, my girl.
I got lost.
Oh, no.
I opened the wrong door.
What? The teacher's room.
No!
They told me to close the door.
A girl didn't share her book with me,
That's not nice.
but then she did. Later.
See? People surprise you.
I made a friend.
You did?
Her name is Emma. She said brave people cry too.
I like Emma already.
Ruby, welcome home.
Dad!
Tell me everything.
I got lost. I went in the wrong room. A girl was mean. A boy helped me. And I made a friend.
That's a full movie, Ruby.
Ruby, did you win?
Ben, I told you. It's not a game.
But did you win?
Yes, I think I won. I knew it.
What did you learn today?
I learned that scared is okay. Lost is okay. But you have to keep walking.
That is true.
Mom, thank you for not staying.
What do you mean?
If you stayed with me, I would never try alone. Not all by myself. Noah helped me. Emma helped me. Even Miss Carter.
People are kind when you give them a chance.
Yes, Dad.
Dinner time.
I'm so hungry. I am always hungry.
That is the one thing that never changes.